When...
and then you can scoot your stuff around so you can connect it.
There you go.
Izzy, are you playing for Max?
Yeah, you're doing a good job, sweetie. Here, let's get that out of your way.
Are you playing, Izzy?
Right there. Right here. Hey, it's right here.
No, I said, where does it go? Okay. Up, way up top? Okay. So here, I'm going to scoot. Haley, you scoot back a little bit. That's what we're going to do. You scoot back. I know, I'm going to scoot this. No, I don't want you to do this much. I'm just going to move this back here for you. And you're going to scoot your big green fish up to the top. Does it come over here this way? Here, I'll scoot him over here and you're going to...
Hey, Haley, here's another pink.
There you go. So, there you go. Dang.
Guys, I finished this part.
All right. So Haley, can you connect your big green fish up here? Do that part, honey. And then Charlie can move in and he can do his part over there.
Are you singing too?